Bonjour! Today we're going to look at the difference between demi and moitié. They both mean half, but we use them in slightly different ways. Hope you find it helpful. Let's start with demi first. Demi is an adjective, so it's always going to be followed straight away by a noun. It's describing a noun. Think of it like half a and then the noun coming after. So it's going to look like this. It's going to have a little hyphen and that's going to join it to the noun that it's describing. Even if the noun is feminine, like it's still going to remain spelt like this, D-E-M-I. That doesn't change when it's coming in front of a noun. So une demi-heure, half an hour. Un demi-kilo, half a kilo. Une demi-journée, half a day. Une demi-baguette, half a baguette. So, un or une, depending on whether the thing is masculine, and then demi, little hyphen, and then the word. And think of it half a or half an, it begins with a vowel in English, and then the noun. So let's have a look at a few. So half a cucumber. A cucumber is masculine, so we would say un demi-concombre. Half a baguette, une demi-baguette. Half an apple, une demi-pomme. Half a kilo, un demi-kilo. Half a pint, une demi-pression. Pression is the one on tap. So une demi-pression. Sometimes they will just shorten it to une demi, and it will be understood that that's what you want, is a half a beer. Let's look at moitié now. Moitié, moitié. Moitié means half, again, and la moitié is the half. This time, moitié is the noun. So now we're saying the half of a thing. Okay, so it's going to be followed by the word de. So moitié de, half of. Before we were just doing half a baguette, half a pint. But now we're saying half of a pizza, half of a whatever it might be. So we've got some examples here. La moitié de la classe. La moitié de la classe means half of the class. La moitié, the half. So the half, and then you've got your de of the class. La moitié du gâteau. This is still de, but it's de and le together turn into du. So la moitié du gâteau, half of the cake. La moitié du gâteau. J'ai mangé la moitié du gâteau. I ate half of the cake. La moitié des élèves. Half of the students. So des, remember, is de and les together turn into des. So I saw half of the students. J'ai vu la moitié des élèves. Half of the students. So when you see of here, we want to say of, we're going to need to say la moitié de, du ou des. We can also say j'ai mangé la moitié, and here the half of it, the of it is implied. So j'ai mangé la moitié. Ooh, j'ai mangé la moitié. I ate half of it. J'ai mangé la moitié, the half. Let's look at a nice way that we would also use moitié, and that is by saying it twice. Moitié-moitié. Moitié-moitié means half and half, 50-50. So if you wanted to split the bill, you could say moitié-moitié, half and half. On va faire ça moitié-moitié. So moitié-moitié, half and half. You sometimes see a type of fondue cheese is moitié-moitié when it's got half of one cheese and half of another put into its fondue. So moitié-moitié, 50-50, half and half. Moitié-moitié. Let's have a little go at a quiz. So I waited half an hour for the bus. Now remember the rule that if it's half a or half an, we're going to just be doing the demi and then straight away the noun. If it's half of a thing, that's when we're going to be using the moitié, de. Okay, because we need that of, we need the de. So I waited half an hour for the bus. What would that be? Remember, you can pause me, slow me down, and then play when you're ready. So half an hour would be une demi-heure. Une demi-heure. She drank half of the bottle. Now we've got half of the bottle. So if it's going to be half of the bottle, she drank the half of the bottle. Elle a bu la moitié de la bouteille. She worked for half a day. Half a day. Une demi-journée. He ate half of the cake. Half of the cake. Il a mangé la moitié du gâteau. He ate the half of the cake. We have to keep that la in French, even if we drop it in English. Can you give me half a kilo of apples? Half a kilo. Un demi-kilo. Un demi-kilo de pommes. Half of the class is absent today. So, the half of the class is absent today. La moitié de la classe est absente aujourd'hui. I only watched half of the film. And we've got another of, so we're going to need it to be la moitié du film. And they stayed half a week. So half a week is going to be une demi-semaine. Because we're not saying half of the week, we're saying half a week. Une demi-semaine. I hope that's helped you. And you can try it out when you want to order your next half a beer.